10 Benefits of Coconut Oil. There is a growing body of evidence that coconut oil offers some health benefits, both internally and externally. 1. A boost in good cholesterol. Coconut oil is said to modestly hike one's level of good cholesterol. 2. Good for blood sugar and diabetes. Coconut oil can aid in lowering obesity levels in the body and also battles insulin resistance, issues that often lead to type 2 diabetes. 3. Helps fight back against Alzheimer's disease. The MCFA component in coconut oil, especially its generation of ketones by the liver, aids in mending brain function in Alzheimer patients. 4. Helps stop heart disease and high blood pressure. Since coconut oil is so high in saturated fats, that helps boost HDL, or good cholesterol, to ward off heart disease and lowering high triglycerides. Additionally, coconut oil also performs a rather remarkable and heart-healthy feat. It helps turn bad cholesterol into good cholesterol. 5. Aids in liver health. Coconut oil also guards against any damage to the liver, and also aids in curing urinary tract infections. 6. Boosts energy. Unrefined coconut oil also hikes energy and endurance, primarily by its MCFAs shooting directly into the liver, which enables to be converted into energy. 7. Aids with digestion. Another benefit of coconut oil, it helps with food digestion by aid the body take in fat-soluble components like vitamins and magnesium. It also eliminates toxic bacteria and candida, which fights poor digestion and stomach inflammation. That helps prevent stomach ulcers. 8. Acts as a salve for wounds and burns. Coconut is good for the skin, especially in the treatment of wounds, burns, and dermatitis. It also acts as sunblock, and as a moisturizer for the skin, thanks to the 2 primary fatty acids in unrefined coconut oil, Caprylic and Lauric, and to its antioxidant component, which team up to reduce inflammation under the skin and promote better healing. 9. Acts as an anti-aging component rich with antioxidants. Coconut oil is known to slow the aging process, generally by curbing any undue stress on the liver. 10. Helps with weight loss. Coconut oil also can help with weight loss, as it acts as a fat burner and a calorie burner, especially with doses of unrefined coconut oil. It also acts as an appetite suppressant. One study shows that the capric acid in coconut oil helps boost thyroid performance, which in turn reduces a body's resting heart rate and aids in burning fat for an increased energy boost.